Wow, ang daming pagkain. Very simple lang, oh. Hotdog, kanin, pansit, crab lang, you know, pang everyday. Wow, spaghetti. Oh, pang everyday lang. Joke, may lechon. May lechon. What? Hi, kids! Hi! Joy. Yeah, sure. What do you think of my work?
Mine is still better.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh my gosh.
Okay. Yes! Baba naman yan, Pete. Bakit mo naman ako bang nahawa sa asawa mo?
Don't touch, don't touch. Go to school.
Uy, what? Okay.
M&M.
Go! Go!
I'm gonna get you the seaweed.
Go!
Nag-preset yan.
Dua.
No.
Ang birthday to you. Wait. Most things in the house, Mr. or Mrs. Ex-girlfriend of Mr. Okay? Fast food restaurant. Back to back. One thing couples always fight about. Food at the Costco food court. They're fighting. Online store. Ex of the missus. How many? Okay. Favorite sports. Sahog sa halo-halo. Okay? Okay, start! Hey! What do you do? First one, say sorry. Who is always jealous? Food at Costco food court.
Bread.
Date you became a couple. Month and year.
May 2010.
Month and you became couple. Year. First kiss. Year. If you were minors back then, please don't answer. Favorite Filipino food.
Kare-kare.
Week. Day of the week. Month of the year. Talo kayo! Pagbigyan yun may mga bata. Oh! Happy birthday to Lola.
A printer.
Sana magamit mo. Toothbrush, Bluey. Toothbrush din.
Bond paper.
Tulog, mama. Tita Alma.
Wedding album.
Rice cooker.
Thank you naman. Gusto ko ng mga ganito. Tita, thank you. Tito, thank you. Thank you.
Pamadaan, ano na, Alma.
Wow.
Daddy.
Hey! Kiss!
Bigay mo sa asawa mo eh.
Kiss!
Ano? Gums to gums.
1, 2, 3, go!
Para dilinood. Denture to denture. Kuya. Liktaho. Kuya.
Ganda! Fully paid!
Fully paid cash.
1, terabyte.
Wow! Buksan nyo muna, baka Bath and Body Works.
Oo nga. Baka ba?
Ina, Tita Lile.
Yan, photo album. Sana all. Palit na tayo ng apelyado lab, Kabistani. Thank you all.
Para matigil ka na. Kasi kaya Lena sana yan. May... Sabi ko sa'yo, ultra yung gusto.
What? Sarap bigyan.
Thank you po, tita. Thank you naman po. Thank you, tita. Apple?
Napihitan. Salamat sa akin. Thank you, ha. Thank you, ha.
Tesla stock.
$50 slice. Sa planning.
Oy, dili, oy, anli rice sa samang inasal.
For you.
50 Shades of Grey.
It's a love seat. Ah.
120 EQ. Isang pamilya nakawal dahil sa aywa sa ulyan ng kandila.
Huwag yung isipin na dito pa kami.
Wala kaming naririnig.
Mami! Thank you! Oh, okay. 3 years!
Peach umbrella!
Galing ni Kuya, lahat tama yung hula eh.
Ay, air conditioner!
Balance beam.
Para siyang si
Yeah! Uy!
Oh,
Yeah! Perfect landing! Oh, ito pala yung Tesla.
timing talaga. Una.
duda ko ba made in China ni ba?
Ano ba mangyayari dito? 3, 2, 1. Oh, wow! May sound.